What does it take to reduce factory inventory cost by 30%, prevent hazardous injuries by 25%, and eliminate 30% of unanticipated machine breakdowns? When your factory has unintegrated data, or worse, lack of data, answering these questions will be impossible. To maximize your factory's productivity, you need data insight. You can get this by using a smart manufacturing and IoT solutions that gather data, integrate it, and yield business insight in real time. The problem is, designing and implementing this is a huge undertaking, not to mention complex, and can easily fail. This is where Telkomsel IoT Smart Manufacturing comes in. It's a one-stop solution that begins with a consultation. Together, we'll co-create an efficient tech strategy that will help you reach your goals. Then you get to pick a series of smart manufacturing solutions to be integrated within one manufacturing execution system, all tailored to your needs. These data insights will help you make good, fact-based business decisions. We'll set everything up for you, making deployment and management easy. It doesn't stop there. Your staff will be trained to work with the new system so that your operations can get the full advantage of the technology. And to make sure your business can keep up with the ever-innovative Industry 4.0, we'll make sure your system is easy to build on. Many industry sectors have experienced the benefits of smart manufacturing, like improved productivity, reduced costs, efficient operations, stronger business resilience and sustainability, better data security, and overall safer working environments. Sounds sweet, doesn't it? So, begin your digital transformation today and start empowering your business with data-based decision using Telkomsel IoT Smart Manufacturing.